Synesthetic.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Daily News, everyday news, breaking news on Prince Miller Entertainment TV. Subscribe to the channel, follow us on all our social media platforms. We're on Instagram, Prince Miller Entertainment, Facebook, Prince Miller Entertainment, Facebook group, Prince Miller Entertainment TV. We're also available on Twitter, it's P Miller ENT. Follow us on Twitter and we follow back. And welcome to another edition of our Daily News, everyday news on breaking news. So, guys, here's the latest regarding to Nyaya Chatcom. Yeah, and they got robbery. Yes, here's the latest, guys. So two armed robbers who escaped with three of their colleagues were shot and killed by retired CID homicide detective Mr. Joseph Nemaisa after they raided his Chatcom house on Monday night. Have been arrested. The two, whose identities will be revealed soon, were arrested today in the city following intensive investigation by detectives from the CID homicide section. National Police Assistant Commissioner Paul Nyati confirmed the developments and said he will issue an official statement once he has obtained all the details. He said they will also release the names of other three robbers who were killed during the shootout. So, guys, that's the latest here regarding to that Chatcom robbery. And you got two of those five guys, and you got three died on the spot, and two ndoga manager kutiza vasungwa in the CBD today. So we were to hear more from the police kuti chichanyasoitika nhasi kuti vakomana vabatwe. And so people on social media have been reacting positively, while others are questioning the whole story, kuti the whole story is not making sense. And someone here wrote that critical thinking is definitely needed here. With the ration of the hero, this story does not add up. It has a lot of loopholes in it. And vanokawanda havasi kubvuma nyaya ya Joseph Namaisa havasi kuibvuma nyaya kuti pane zvakaitika chitandika, pane zvakaitika. And someone here wrote that Namaisa ngaasungwe. He is the top armed robber, fake hero, fake lawyer. His story is cooked up. And no matter what zvitwa nevamwe vari kuti Namaisa ngaasungwe. He is a top armed robber, he is a fake hero, he is a fake lawyer. His story is cooked up. And someone here wrote that something is not right here. Inga isu tinongoswero pesana nembavha dziri wanted. And someone here wrote that people, you watch too much investigation discovery mukuti something is not adding up kudiko chamunoziva. This guy is no ordinary ex-detective wekumaraini kwenyu anoti akadhakwa anoburitsa wotagana achiti ndokunyudza yapfana. Munhu uyu anosakadza akaita basa iri kwenguva refu. Problem amuvhure link a news. And this is what someone else is saying here. Someone here wrote that comments akawanda ndevanhu either mbava that has been hurt by the death of their fellow criminals or airheads that want to analyze what they don't know. So pathetic. Well done, Nemaisa. Yeah, so some people are questioning him. Other people are saying, you know what, this guy is a hero. Someone here wrote that great job was at RP. Yes, when it comes to criminals itself, mapurisa edu anosenza, matikitivu edu kana ada kushanda zvavo anoshanda. Chongoti chete maresources anozongoshaka zvavo, but pari pakutsvaga munhu here aiwa munhu anobatwa. And again, harare idiki zvokutoti zita remunhu rakatanga kunzi ningirikini ari kutsvagwa chete ka aiwa hapashaiwa 1 or 2 people vanokufonera mapurisa vachiti aiwa ningirikini tamuona ari pajoina city izvozvi. And saka harare idiki. And so those two guys, it was just a matter of time kuti vabatwe. And someone here wrote that hakuna imbwa dzinohukura mudhuri webedroom vanhu vapinda nepadhoo. Hakuna musoja anourayiwa nekadictative zvechiwaiwai. Hakuna mbavha inobuda nepahwindo yakatakura laptop futi yarira. Hakuna mbavha inoitwa confuse yamboridzirwa pfuti munhu ari pakona ozomhanya mugarden ne360 degrees yekupenga iyo. And some people are still questioning detective Nemaisa kuti zveshuwa zvinhu zvakaitika here. And someone here wrote that what do I suspect that this was not a robbery but a deal gone bad, a slaughter of comrades and more drama. Remember, this Nemaisa is said to have killed a police comrade during the aftermath of a robbery where there was then a problem of sharing loot the police has got, and he is well known of killing robbers after taking money from there. He is actually a psychopath, having attempted to kill an accused who was being maliciously prosecuted by him and his comrades at the court's own clean hose. And it seems like some people, they know a lot about vanemaisa and azoti chokwadi here kana kuti kunyepa, but some people are saying, you know what, this is something fishy regarding to that whole story. Is not adding up. And this is a daily news, breaking news on Prince Miller Entertainment TV. You know, the stories about those two varikunzwa akakwanisa kutiza and vanamaisa pavakaenda kunodedza mapurisa and pane 2 vakasara ndo vakakwanisa kutiza and 3 ndo vakashaya vakafira mumba imomo. And someone wrote that why so quick, and someone replied and said Funzaiwo Tsano, something is not adding up here. And someone here replied and says these guys are said to have been wearing baklavas and surely the dead stay damp, they don't talk. My question is, who saw them out or who identified them, unless these guys left some loose ends. And zvikunzwani azoziva kuti vakomana ndeava ndeani, because zvikunzwa vanga vakapfeka mabaklavas pavakapinda mumomo. Saka azoziva kuti vana ndevapi. And again, are you telling me kuti vakasiya here maclue pa-crime scene ipapo hachizive zvedu ipapo, anditi kuti maybe vakasiya ID kana vakasiya namafoni kana vakasiya something, and kana kuti vacho vakashaya vacho va-identify kunzi ndoananhingirikini ishamwari dzananhingirikini, maybe the reason why vakomana vakwanisa kubatwa nekukasika, but zviri kunzi vanga vakapfeka mablack covers pavakaita break in. And remember, these guys were armed, and vanga vari armed according to the story yakataurwa. Anditi someone here that in 24 hours, but isu vanotibira havasi kuwanikwa zvokudaro. And yes, I think it's maybe because he's a former dictative, and again some of his friends are still there, of course, homicide CID. Saka kana makatongobira munhu wedu isusu kana munhu wedu, of course nyaya inter speed up. And saka zvasiyana nenini akanoripota kuti nabirwa vanoita zvokulenga-lenga, dzingonguva upiwa mari muhomwe, dzingonguva nyaya haiinvestigatwe, but this is their colleague. And again, this story is trending on social media right now, so the police has to act regarding to this whole situation. And someone here wrote that well done police, mashanda vanhu vakadaro havadi kupiwa bail, ngavaite chidzidzo kune vamwe vavo kuti aiwa hauite robhari uri munhu wemutemo, dai matanga manokorobhesa ropa ravakasiwa nemacolleague avo mumba mevanhu richakorobwa nani. And according to someone else here saying, and someone is still asking kuti there's something hidden in this story. And someone here wrote that I smell a fat rat here. So guys, gatitaura in the comment section. This is daily news, everyday news, breaking news. I would say 50% of the people, they don't believe Nemaisa's story, and 50% of the people, they are saying kuti the man is a hero. And so gatitaura in the comment section. Is he the hero or is he faking? Pane nyaya iripo kana kuti maybe panga pane dhirirengere riripo risina stamushe. I don't know. Gatitaura in the comment section, because some people, they still don't believe this whole hype iripo regarding to this whole story ekuchat kome. But we keep on following the whole story, guys, and we'll let you know here. And so thank you very much for listening and watching. We'll keep you guys up to date pakatika any new information. But vakomana vaviri vainzi vakatiza vacho vabatwa nhasi, and so they'll be appearing in court soon, and we hear the whole story kuti chakanyatsoitika. So we keep you guys informed. And this is our daily news, breaking news on Prince Miller Entertainment TV. Thank you very much for listening and watching, guys. Remember to like, share, and comment, and follow us on all our social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, and also on our Facebook group, which is a Prince Miller Entertainment TV. This is our daily news, everyday news, breaking news on Prince Miller Entertainment TV. Bless up.